And now, let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match number 9 underway here at the Michiana Premier event. Both these alliances looking to cement their chance to keep on cruising through the playoffs. 22-660. Unity Sunset cycling in close, serving gate management as well here at Autonomous. Their partners loading from deep. 53-85 Enigma Riddlers out of Michigan. They bring in artifacts, continuing to fire into the goal. Blue Alliance 6 growing a lead as we come down to the final seconds of Autonomous, and Red holding for now.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance 6 now leads by 47 points, moving into the teleoperated period. Unity Sunset looking to expand to that lead. Now swinging back down to the Blue Alliance loading zone, pulling aboard some green artifacts. They come right back in. 1, 2, 3, go up. 1 for 3, stay in. FE203 trying to get around Enigma Riddlers, holding down in that Red Alliance secret tunnel and Blue Alliance loading zone. 21-865 FE203 swinging back to that far launch zone. They've sent 3 up. Their partners in the near field playing gate management. That's GP Robotics Unity out of Portland, Texas. They cycle back and forth, keeping artifacts loaded and available for this Red Alliance, who has taken the lead now here in match number 9 by 40 points, 157 to 119 now, as time keeps on ticking with 1:12 left on the clock. Unity Sunset of the Blue Alliance pulling artifacts out from the Red secret tunnel, sending them on up into the blue goal. They load up and come right on back, continuing to fire as possible. 21-865 FE203 on the Red Alliance, churning from the far launch zone, seeming to be the only Alliance member on any side of this field playing that far launch. As such, there's no one really back there to fight with for those artifacts. They're able to drive around, get the artifacts they want, then come right back to fire. 53-85 Enigma Riddlers. They may be a backup, but they are playing hard right here in the playoffs with 30 seconds left to go. Red Alliance retaining a lead of about 40 points, but Blue keeping right up behind them at 222 to 271 as we approach the end game whistle. Red Alliance leads 72 to 66 with 15 seconds left to go. These alliances still churning through the powerhouses. 10 seconds left. Red now with a 40-point lead. Artifacts seem to be the name of the game, but Enigma Riddlers goes back and takes some artifacts, but lining up for the Parks. Unity Sunset in for the full. Enigma for the Parks.
We got the winner, and it is Red Alliance with a score of 353 points. Unfortunately, Alliance number 6 is losing this match, and they got eliminated. Congrats to coming